Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So firstly, you should go to the Google folder and right there find the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner you'll see this icon. Tap here, and here you can see that we are logged in the two accounts at the same moment, and now we will remove one from these accounts. So just tap here to the manage account on this device, and right here tap to the Google. Here you can see our two accounts, and now if we want to remove, for example, this account, just tap on that, and here tap to the more icon, and just here tap to the remove account and click here again to confirm. So now, as can you see, we got here just one account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.